Okay, going to begin work on the pulling the engine out of the Dakota today, the 5.9. You can see it's lifted, and I did the ramps backwards so that I have full access to the center of the vehicle. There's nothing behind the tires, between the tires. And up front, they're really not in the way, especially since that's the highest point. The first thing we'll do is take out the bolts that hold in the cross member, and then the 2 bolts on the front for the radiator cooling system, and the 2 bolts that hold the condensing coils for the air conditioner. Now, you don't have to worry about undoing that because the compressor was taken out by the previous owner, so there's no fluid in it. It's all drained anyway. And we'll drain the radiator and pull that out. But I'm not sure if we're going to take the front bumper off yet or not. Okay, well, we removed the radiator, the condenser, and the associated water and cooling shroud that had the reservoirs in them. Took off the cross member piece, and obviously the shrouds. The connections to the condenser came off pretty easily. We still have to remove them on the canister up here, and I just wanted to show you that that actually takes a torque to hold it so you can unloosen the nut. We've gotten the linkage all disconnected, and part of the reason we did that was because we had to pull the vacuum line that ran through the air cooling protection shroud. We put the plastic thing on the top for now, and we've started lubricating all of the bolts. They're going through aluminum. I have a slight fear. This looks like there might be a bolt that was snapped off inside, which isn't a good thing. I mean, we can fix that, but that means somebody did something once. But we pretty much have everything WD-40'd, and the next thing we're going to be doing is disconnecting the PCM, vacuum, anything that's electrical or vacuum hose related, the water pump, heating coils, heating tubes, anything that has to connect to the engine electrically or with hoses. And this morning, taking all this off took about 4 hours. I don't know what it's going to take for all the electrical stuff. We still haven't taken off the front bumper, but looking at it, it looks like it is just 4 bolts. So for ease of getting the engine out, so it's just not in the way, I think we're going to remove that.